Chapter 3: Algorithms and Flowcharts. Objective: Introduction. Concept of programming. What is an algorithm? Flowchart. Benefits of using a flowchart. Design a flowchart. Drawbacks of using the flowchart. Introduction. In order to perform your day-to-day tasks, you follow some sequence of steps to get the desired output. For example, if I ask you to clean your room, it will involve the following sequence of steps. Pick all the toys. Put the toys in a toy box. Pick your clothes. Put the clothes in the cupboard. Pick your stationery items like notebook, pen, etc. Put these items in your bag. Clean the bedsheet. Place your footwears in the shoe rack. These steps will help you to get a clean and organized room. In the same way, when you are working on a computer system, you need to give instructions to a computer. As the computer is a machine having no IQ, so it needs instructions to work. These set of instructions are stored in the computer memory, which are followed one by the computer, and the computer works accordingly. A set of instructions is called a program. A program is written by a programmer using a programming language. If you write the program in a wrong sequence, the computer will produce a wrong results. So your program must be in correct sequence and must be planned logically before writing the actual program. Concept of programming. To make the computer system work, you need to write a program for it. Programming is basically writing a program using some programming language. Two persons interact with each other using some language like English, Hindi, French, or any other language. In the same way, to interact with a computer, you must use some sort of language. We know that a computer knows only binary language, but writing a program for a computer in binary language is really difficult. So programmers use other high-level languages like C++, Java, Python to write programs for the computer. The programs written in high-level language needs to be converted into binary language so that computer can understand the instructions given to it. A good programmer must follow these 3 steps for writing programs for the computer. Step 1. Write an algorithm. Step 2. Create a flowchart. Step 3. Create a program. In this chapter, we will make you understand the concept of algorithm and flowchart. Tech tip. Binary language, which is also known as machine language, is a language of 0s and 1s. What is an algorithm? Algorithm is defined as a sequence of steps which can be written in simple English language. It is not required to follow the proper syntax and semantics to create an algorithm. The main objective of writing an algorithm is to think about the logic like what should be done and how to do it. So the first step for creating a program for a computer is to create an algorithm. Rules for writing an algorithm. Simple. The algorithm must be written in simple English language. It should be simple enough that it can be understood by everyone. Meticulous. It should be precise, unambiguous, and must be written in sequential manner. Input. Each algorithm should have some inputs. Output. An algorithm must have at least one output. Finiteness. An algorithm must terminate after finite number of steps. Avoid lengthy code. If there are some similar type of statements, then that can be combined together to avoid lengthy code. Check with sample values. The algorithm must be checked using some sample value to make it sure that the algorithm is correct and producing correct result. Comment section. You can add comment in your algorithm to add additional information. It must be enclosed in square brackets. Tech tip. The origin of algorithm is attributed to the Persian astronomer and mathematician Abdullah Muhammad bin Musa al-Khwarizmi. Example. Suppose your mother is not at home and you are feeling hungry. You called your mother and she gave you instructions how to make a sandwich. Create an algorithm to make a sandwich according to the instructions you got from your mother. Step 1. Take out 2 slices of bread. Step 2. Spread the butter on the bread slices. Step 3. Put a slice of paneer on one bread slice. Step 4. Sprinkle some salt. Step 5. Put a slice of cheese on it. Step 6. Put another bread slice on it. Your sandwich is ready to eat. Algorithm 1. Create an algorithm to calculate the sum of 3 numbers. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Read inputs B, C and D. Step 3. Set a equal sign B plus C plus D. Step 4. Print a. Step 5. Stop. Algorithm. To create an algorithm to calculate the average of 3 numbers. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Read inputs X, Y and Z. Step 3. Set P equal sign X plus Y plus Z slash 3. Step 4. Print P. Step 5. Stop. Algorithm. 3. Create an algorithm to find the greatest of 2 numbers. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Read inputs A and B. Step 3. Check if a B. If yes, go to step 4. Else go to step 5. Step 4. Print A is greater. Step 5. Print P is greater. Step 6. Stop. Algorithm 4. Create an algorithm to find the area of square X equals sign A. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Read input A. Step 3. Set X equals sign A asterisk A. Step 4. Print X. Step 5. Flowchart. Flowchart is the symbolic representation of an algorithm in which the sequence of steps are represented by using symbols. This is the second step to create a program after creating an algorithm. It consists of shapes, lines and arrows that represents various stages of a process. The symbols in a flowchart are joined to each other using arrows. The process of drawing a flowchart is called flowcharting. The objective of creating a flowchart is to illustrate the flow direction of the process. Computer will follow the sequence and execute the program once it is created. It is used to make the programmer understand how the process starts, where the participants must make crucial decisions, and what the end result should be. Different symbols used in flowchart are start/stop. Start/stop symbol, also called a terminator, is oval in shape. It is used to specify the starting and ending of the flowchart. It is placed at the beginning and end while creating a flowchart. Input/output. Input/output symbol, which is also known as a data symbol, is a tilted parallelogram rectangle. It is used in case when you need to read the input from user and provide the output of the program. Processing symbol is rectangular in shape. It is used to represent some type of processing or calculations. It is mainly used to write processing instructions and doing calculations. Decision symbol, also known as condition symbol, is a diamond-shaped box. It is used to represent some conditions or decisions in a program. Flow lines. Flow lines are the arrows which is used to connect THE symbols and represents direction of flow in which the control of program is moving. Connector. The connector symbol, as the name implies, is used to connect two parts of the flowchart to show the continuity. Rules for drawing a flowchart. Starting and ending point. Each flowchart must have one starting and at least one ending point to mark the beginning and closing part of the flowchart. Direction of flow arrows are used to show the direction of flow of the program control, which must be from top to bottom and left to right. These flow lines should not cross each other. Use of connectors. If a flowchart is big enough that it is not able to fit on single page, make use of connectors to show the connectivity of flowchart. Use correct symbols. Each symbol is used for a particular purpose, like decision symbol is for checking condition, data symbol is used for input and output, so a correct symbol must be used for the instruction so that you can create a correct program. Flowchart 1. Create a flowchart to calculate the sum of three numbers. Start read. Inputs B, C and D. Set a equal sign B plus C plus D. Print A. Stop. Flowchart 2. Create a flowchart to calculate the average of three numbers. Start read. Inputs X, Y and Z. Set P equal sign X plus Y plus C plus 3. Print P. Stop. Flowchart 3. Create a flowchart to find the greatest of the two numbers. Start read. Inputs A and B. If a BP, Y's print A is greater. No, print B is greater. Start. Benefits of using a flowchart. Better explanation of program. Flowcharts are created using symbols and arrows. It shows the pictorial representation to solve a particular problem, which is a better way to explain a program. Better communication. Creating a flowchart to solve a problem is considered as the better way to communicate the logic of a program to all the concerned persons. Effective analysis. By creating a flowchart, a program can be divided into smaller sections, which can be analyzed in an effective and efficient way. Helpful in designing a program. Before writing a program, it is a good practice to create its flowchart first. Once you have created a flowchart, you can easily generate a program without much efforts and time wastage. Debugging. It is easy to find, locate and remove the bugs and mistakes from the program. Proper documentation. Flowchart is used as a proper documentation for many purposes to solve a problem. Drawbacks of using the flowchart. Complex logic. Many times, it happens that a program logic is so complex that it becomes a headache for the user to create its flowchart. Time consuming. To create a program, you are recommended to follow 3 steps. Create an algorithm, draw a flowchart, and then write a program. It takes much time for complex problems. Difficult to modify. If you want to make some modifications in a flowchart, you need to redraw the complete flowchart again. No standard. There is no standard method to create a flowchart. Each programmer has his/her own way to solve a problem and create its flowchart. A quick review. A set of instructions is called a program. A program is written by a programmer using a programming language. Programming is basically writing a program using some programming language. Algorithm is defined as a sequence of steps which can be written in simple English language. An algorithm should be precise, unambiguous, and must be written in a sequential manner. Flowchart is the symbolic representation of an algorithm in which the sequence of steps is represented by using symbols. The process of drawing a flowchart is called flowcharting.